Good morning. Let's look at, thank you, that is very nice manners. Before the celebration for Groundhog Day, the city set up an octagonal barrier around the park. If each side of the barrier was 145 yards long, how many feet of fencing did they use to create it? Okay, so there are a lot of clues here. First of all, what does octagonal mean? What is an octagon? A shape with how many sides, Allie? 8. So our barrier has 8 sides, and then this word each tells us to do what? Each side is 145 yards long. What does that tell us to do? Sophie, multiply. We need to multiply 145 times 8. That's your first step. You can use any strategy of your choice to multiply 100 plus 45 times 8, okay? If you are using the area model, 8 times 100 is 800, 8 times 4 is 32, add your 0, 8 times 5 is 40, and when you add that together, you get 1,160 yards. The key here is that it asks you to tell how many feet. How many feet are in 1 yard? Melanie? But we're not done. How many feet are in 1 yard? 3. How many feet are in 2 yards? Lexi? 6. How many feet are in 3 yards? Yep, 9. What are we doing each time? What are we doing to determine how many feet are in how many feet are in 10 yards? 30. What did you do? 10 times 3. So if we want to know how many feet are in 1,160 yards, we have to multiply 1,160 times 3. A lot of you divided. Okay, when you are thinking about these conversions, you need to be thinking about if you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, your number is going to get bigger. Okay, 1 foot is 12 inches. So 7 feet is going to be bigger. You have to multiply. Okay, so break down your numbers to something smaller so you can think about that in your head. Do I need to multiply or divide? Okay, so 1,000 times 3 is 3,000. 100 times 3 is 300. 6 times 3 is 18. Add your 0. You get 3,480 feet. And then you reminded me, and I said, well, hold on, let me go double check it. And I double checked my work, and I fixed it. And I came back to check, and then you didn't have that answer. I don't think, I'll have to look at it again. Okay, so your sentence needs to say 3,480 feet of fencing was used. Something along that line. And it needs to have a period at the end. Okay, do we have questions about that one? Okay. Go ahead and get out your area and perimeter of irregular shapes packet that we looked at. Oh wait, you know what? Before we do that,